Students, today we are going to see exercise 1.3 challenge problem, question number 12. The product of any three consecutive number is always divisible by 6. Justify the statement with an example. So we are taking three consecutive numbers as 2, 3 and 4. Product means multiply. So if we are multiplying 2 into 3 into 4, we got an answer 24, and the 24 the number is, it can divisible by 6. Then now we are going to see question number 15. The product of two two-digit numbers is 300 and their HCF is 5. What are the numbers? The product means we already know that it's a multiply of two digit numbers. So and their product is 300. They are already given, and also their HCF is 5. We have to find what are the two numbers. They are giving that it's a two-digit numbers. Okay, so solution. Given that HCF of two numbers is 5, so they are already given HCF is 5. So the numbers must be, it's a multiplication of 5, and also they given their product is 300. So 5x into, we are taking that number as x and y. So 5x into 5y equal to 300. Therefore 5 into 5 is 25 and x into y is xy. So 25xy is equal to 300. So xy is equal to 300 divided by 25. So therefore the value of xy is 12. And the possible values of x and y, what are the factors of 12? 1 12s are 12, then 2 6 is 12, then 3 4 is 12. Okay, and we are taking the numbers as 5x and 5y. So we put the values for x for 1 and y for 12, and then x for 2 and y is 6, and then x is 3 and y is 4. So 5 into 1 is 5, 5 into 12 is 60, 5 into 2 is 10, and 5 into 6 is 30, and 5 into 3 is 15, 5 into 4 is 20. And from these three values, we all know that 5 comma 60 is impossible, because in question they are given as the product of two-digit numbers. So 5 comma 60 is impossible. And then the remaining numbers are what? 10 comma 30 and 15 comma 20. They given that their HCF is 5. So 10 comma 30 is impossible. For what? Because 10 comma 30's HCF is 10. Because its HCF is 10, therefore the remaining number 15 comma 20 is the numbers of this sum, and also their product is 300. So we find the answer. Now we are going to see question number 16. Find whether the number 564872 is divisible by 88. So in this number we have to prove that it is divisible by 88. So for that we have to use the divisibility by 8 and divisibility by 11, divisible rule for 8 and 11. In 564872, and the last three digit numbers of that number is 872. If these last three digit number of this number is divisible by 8, means the whole number 564872 is also divisible by 8. So we have to divide 872 by 8. It is divisible. Eight 72 divided by 8. 1 8 is 8, and then 7 is less than 8, so we are taking two numbers. 9 8s are 72. So it is divisible. So therefore the whole number is also divisible. And then we have to find the divisibility of 11 for this number. Divisible rule of 11 is we have to add 1, 3 and fifth number is equal to second 4 and eighth number. So 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 7 is 16, and also 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 10 plus 6 is 16. So if you are subtracting these two numbers, we got an answer 0. Then this number, it is divisible by 11. Therefore this number 564872, it is divisible by 8 and 11. Therefore this number can also divisible by 88. Thank you, students.